Good afternoon, friends. This is once again your host, Simple Tech Resource. Today I'm going to show you how to share a folder and even a printer in your simple very own network or local area network. So right now I'm using Windows 8.1. Let me show you. So this is Windows 8.1 Pro. So to do that, the sharing I'm referring to, first you have to right click on the local area connection, which is positioned right here, then click or left click on open network and sharing center, then on the Ethernet click on it, then properties, then make sure that file and printer sharing for Microsoft Networks is checked. So let's check on that. Now we click OK. Then after that we close this window and we close this window. Say for example we have a file or a document, say this particular folder. Okay, say I would like to share this folder. I'm going to right click on it, then click properties, then sharing, then click share, and on this one I make sure I selected everyone. Then from this point on I will have to add or click add and change the permission level of everyone to read write. Then right after that I click share. Now there is a question here. Do you want to turn on network discovery file sharing for all public networks? Of course, within your network you have to. So that is yes. Then the folder is shared, you click done. Then you click close. Then you close the folder. Then how are you going to know that such folder is shareable? So let's move. So what you're going to do is test on it. Okay, so right now my IP address is this. That's 172.16.0.63. So if I'm going to look into that, what I'm going to do is I press Windows then R to make the run appear, and I'm going to type that IP address 172.16.0.63, provided, as I mentioned, I belong to the same network. So that's 172.16.0.63. Now perhaps this is the IP or the Internet Protocol address of this computer. So if I'm going to locate this one, probably my IP address is other than this one. That's 172.16.0, that other than this one. Okay, so I click OK. Then the shared folder appears. You open it and there goes the content. How about the printer? So to do that, you have to go to control panel. So we type control right here, click control panel, look for hardware and sound, then devices and printers. Under this I have the installed printer. Say I want to share this one. I right click on this one, then click printer properties, then click sharing, and of course I will change the sharing options. So I will share the printer. I name it my Epson L10110 series. Then I click apply. Then I click OK. And that's it. So to call on this within the network, you just have to type the IP address that I have presented to you a while ago. Then you can call this one, or you may have it added onto this one. So I will have to add the printer, search it via your network, and when the printer is listed, you just have to select on it. Now this may take some time because it will search the entire network for the available shared printer. Okay, so I think that's about it. If you have other questions you want to clarify, you may message me, or better yet, have a suggestion fixed for this. Click subscribe, click like if you wanted to support the video, and I can present you more topics. Thank you very much.